All right, so you just wind it by turning the base. It's not very big at all. There's the measurements. And if we go lengthwise, let's see, best way to do this. Maybe that way. And here is the bottom. And it's got the song right here, and I was able to translate that. I have that in the eBay listing if you want to check that out. Here's the information on the front. I also used a translator on that. I think this is glass. Oh boy, I don't know if it's like kind of, I have to zoom in on that. Let me see here. If it's maybe has a little bit of crackling of maybe the glass or the paint or whatever it is. See it right there? Just slight. Not even certain. I'll have to look at it. It might be, you know, like when vintage items start to crackle. I'm not sure what that's called, but it is super, super cute. And it's going to be sold as is, as seen, and this is available in my eBay store. Hard to find item. I can't find any others like it. Okay, so let me show you here. It does have, it's a little bit raised when I rub my finger over it. So I'm not sure what kind of defect that is or damage, but it doesn't look too bad. I think if you're gentle with it, it should be okay. I don't know if that's supposed to be like a frosty beer or what's going on with that. I can probably get that off right there. There it is. All right, I got that off the back, but I did see some glue residue here. There we go. It's a really cute item. And here's a close-up of that. And in the eBay listing, I'll have pictures of the translator I used. Okay, thanks for watching.